What you're seeing is more than just cars. It's passion, it's creativity, it's horsepower, and it's the culture that brings us all together. You're now watching Paradise TV. From lowriders dancing on hydraulics, to candy-painted customs turning heads, to timeless classics and awesome exotics. These aren't just vehicles, they're rolling works of art. At Paradise TV, we bring you the cars, the culture, and the people behind the scenes. From local legends to unforgettable events and everything in between. If you live for custom builds, car shows, drag racing, drifting, classics, exotics, and automotive lifestyle content, you've found your home. Hit subscribe, join the movement, and ride with us as we bring car culture to the world. Paradise TV, from the Brew City to everywhere.